going, guys? Woo! Oh my God, guys. That was rough coming out. Extremely rough. But we made it.
That looks shallow.
Yeah, it is. Woo! We made it out first light. Carrie, are you dry at all?
What's that?
Are you dry?
Not really. My butt's a bit wet, but I think it'll be alright.
Soaked, son.
Huh?
I am soaked.
My legs are obviously wet up to the knee and my butt's a bit wet, but that ain't no big deal.
Oh shit.
At least these pants will block the wind.
Yeah. Carrie made it in the Cobra just fine.
I made it easy. This kayak makes it easy.
Alright guys, it's time to start trolling for these tuna. And what these guys are catching these blackfin tuna on here in the panhandle.
Hey Jack, tip that way.
They were using those very shallow dive plugs. But I'm gonna run a dive plug and a deep diver just to get out there. That was wild. Water's super clear.
What's that?
Water is super clear.
Yeah.
Carrie's hooked up to a tuna, guys. Let's go. Pump for him. Let's go! I'm coming, buddy! Stay calm! Carrie's hooked up to a massive blackfin tuna. He's taking out my Cobra. And he's out here got a gaff tuna on the side of his kayak. Hold him still, buddy. I need help him gaffing. Alright, cool. Now hold up for the camera. Sucking because you're about to have a lot of blood here. That's good, that's good. Told you you're gonna cut your hand.
You're right. It's okay though.
It's because you got a blackfin tuna. Let's go.
Yeah!
Can you get a good picture? Yeah, it's good. That's a good picture. Let me get my phone out and do it.
Yes, please.
Fuck, he's heavy. I gotta get one.
Oh man!
Hold him. Hold on, put portrait mode.
Well, the paddle yak!
Yeah, let's go. Here, grab my hand. Oh, let me go. Tuna.
I was afraid I was gonna have a shark come up on me.
Oh my God.
Don't drop him, he's heavy.
Jesus Christ, what are they saying? Ah, look at this tuna, guys. You got sashimi today. You gonna give me some meat? You gonna give me some meat?
Yeah, yeah.
If I don't catch one?
Absolutely.
Alright, let's go.
You can have half it.
I'm so pumped for you, Carrie. I knew you were gonna catch one too. I freaking knew it.
Yeah, damn.
Woo!
That happened quick. Man, you didn't pull hard at first.
That's sick, buddy. Alright. Alright, guys, we see some dolphin over here. And usually dolphins mean bait, and bait means tuna. They like to follow each other. In theory, of course. So, we're heading towards the dolphins we saw. And look, see if we can snag another tuna. Buddy Carrie already got one in our Cobra kayak, my Cobra kayak. Freaking awesome. Pumped for him. No! Let's kind of head back to the pier a little bit. Carry's on again. Carry is on again! Woo! You got him? He's towing you around like crazy. Hey, we're switching lures.
Yeah. That's fine.
Let's go, baby.
Woo!
Get it, baby.
Pulling down now.
Yeah, we gotta do that death roll.
Yeah. Spiraling up. Oh, Jack, watch out! Ah, Jack.
You're doing good. Oh, that's a big one, Carrie.
Yeah. He's bigger than the other one, I think. Feels it.
You're doing great. You got 2-speed, remember?
Wow, my hand's cramping.
You got 2-speed, remember? No! You got off. Never mind, he's there. You got lucky. You got mono on that?
Yeah.
Hey, you got mono?
Right now, 80 pound.
Alright.
Went to a 40 pound leader.
What's up, buddy?
Any more?
Yeah, he's hooked up. Carrie's hooked up to another one.
Have you not hooked up yet?
Not yet. I'm too busy filming him.
No. Alright.
Alright.
I'm gonna try and get out of here, Jim.
Alright, man. Do what you can. I gotta go, buddy. Get that gaff ready.
You got me?
I can. Go find my gaff.
I need some air. Spiraling now.
Oh, I love the gaff. I love gaff fish. Carrie, bring him over here.
I don't know if that's a good idea. There you go.
Nope. Oh, he's going. I gotta get close to you, buddy. You're doing good.
Just try not to put too much pressure on it or anything like that,
Just don't let the. Where's he at?
underneath.
Alright. I'm gonna try to stay over here so I can gaff.
Yeah.
Come on.
He's about the same size.
Yeah, he's a nice one. You're a bloody mess, sir. Almost.
That's a compliment, isn't it?
Alright, come on. Don't pump him too hard, but you know. I see him. He's oh, come on, put your cup. He's coming, he's right there, I see
keep
him.
away from the drive,
Yeah, he's coming, I'm about to get him. He's pinwheel, he's tired.
Alright,
You good. He's not on the drive yet.
back around, I guess.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. I missed. No. Got him.
Sure you got it? Yep. Kill it with?
Yeah. Woo! Had him in a J hook in the corner of the mouth.
Did it?
Yep.
Hell yeah. Alright, you can cut that lure off too while you're at it if you want.
He almost been out your hook, buddy.
Did he bend it?
Yeah. A little bit.
I've got extra trebles.
I don't have
need to replace it.
I got it.
Which one was bent? Treble or?
Treble. I need to bleed him.
Alright, I'll do it.
That's a big one.
Mm-hmm. Once you do, can I get a picture? Ow! God,
Sorry.
Wow. That's a fat
That's a big one. Alright, let's hurry up and get a picture so I can.
Holy. This guy is bigger, isn't he?
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna do a video. Hold him up. That thing is bad. Hold him sideways. Let's see him. Alright, let me get a picture.
He's heavy.
Portrait mode. No, come on, like hold him out, like. Let's go. Alright, give him here so I can put him on the fish bag.
You get the gills tore out.
Yeah.
Carefully, my tip you.
Don't get your foot. There, we're about to get a great white over here. Tell you one thing, There's no way we can fit 4 tuna in there.
I'll hold them at my feet.
Sir?
I'll hold them at my feet.
Where's... Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. It's a nice, he's heavy. He's heavy. Come on. My top shot, baby. Alright guys, hooked up. Think it's a blackfin. He's heavy. Let's get it, come on. Hey, it's heavy, boy.
Yeah. Dude, it's tired out. Why do you think I was resting it on the kayak half the time?
Woo-hoo-hoo! My camera. Aye, it's definitely a tuna. Definitely a tuna. I can feel him thumping.
Yeah. That raw power, huh?
Come on, quit shaking. There we go. Ain't got tuna shaking in the cooler?
Yeah, just let them know that both them tunas are mine, that way you don't think you're catching a third.
This one's bigger.
Is it?
I don't know.
You're just saying that. Yeah, you got 2 speed?
No. Woo-hoo-hoo!
That's on that one I just gave you. Right?
Yes, it was the lure. Yes.
You need me to gap it?
I can try to get it.
Alright, I'll be on standby.
Hope he ain't getting chased.
They're just running like that. And maybe got a big bluefin trying to eat them.
Ah, big bluefin. That's a good fish. Look at the eye rod bend. Drag is not, I don't got the drag super tight.
What's that?
So I don't have the drag super tight.
Yeah, I didn't tighten mine crazy. I just let him do his thing. I was afraid to pull the hook.
I am too. There you go, he's coming up. Come on, baby.
You got your leader?
Ah, not yet. Can't be calling me right now.
Flash on. Oh, we're back.
Sorry, buddy, I'm all hooked up.
Hey.
I'm hooked up to a tuna. Come on, stop, stop, stop. Let me get you the boat.
Are you pulling away from me? You pulling drag?
Yeah, he's pulling drag. I
No,
don't.
put at least 15 pounds on.
I don't have too much. I'm gonna start going to him. I can't. Oops. Well, that Shimano's good. Jesus, come on.
Keep your tension.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go to him. It's a nice fish.
Let me know if you want me to be ready to get him.
Alright. You got your phone on you, right?
What's that?
You got your phone on you, right?
Yeah. You want me to pull it out for a picture?
Yeah, in a minute. Don't do it yet, I don't want to jinx myself. I said don't pull it out yet, I don't want to get jinxed. There he is.
There you go.
And he goes.
Keep diving.
Good old tuna dig. Oh, he's kind of wrapped in a leader too. Thank God I got 40 on there. He's wrapped. Yeah.
There's the dolphins. Alright, 1 minute.
I'm gonna try to get him.
Right,
Now he's not.
wrap himself.
Come on. Oof. a little closer. There he is. Big tuna. Big tuna. Come on. You don't want to come close. Shit! Shit! He's gone. He's been gone.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Got no lure?
That one.
There you go.
He almost flipped me, bro.
I know. He cut the line on you somehow?
Yeah, he popped it.
What you said 20 pounds that you're using?
40.
You more 40?
Oh man. That's perfect. I just should have waited.
The hook or the whole rod?